if you're a creator who is struggling with getting your content in front of the right people, your target audience, then this video is going to be perfect for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vivalapinkposh, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. As you guys know, here on my channel, I create absolutely free videos that is going to help you grow as a content creator. If that's something that you're interested in, which you are because you're watching this video, so go ahead and subscribe. These videos are absolutely free. As you guys know, everyone and their mama is charging for ebooks and courses. So here on this channel, everything is completely free. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss one of the videos here. Okay, so let's get into some things that most creators are not doing to get their content to show up in front of their target audience. So the first thing a lot of creators are failing to do to get their content in front of the people it's supposed to be in front of is failing to speak to their target audience. So when you're a creator and you are speaking to a specific person, it's very important for you guys to talk directly to that target audience. A great example is how I started the beginning of this video. Hey, if you're a content creator that is struggling to get your content in front of the audience, then this is something that's going to help you. So I'm talking directly to people who are going through this problem. You want to speak directly to your target audience. So I am specifically targeting those type of people. I'm specifically targeting you. The second thing that I see a lot of content creators do that is not going to help you guys get your content in front of your target audience is that you guys are not using keywords. So to help you guys out with that, I'm going to help you right now determine what keywords you should be using on your content. What I want you guys to do is we're going to use TikTok. Head over to TikTok and you want to type in a few keywords from your niche, a few keywords from the type of content that you are creating. So let's say you create makeup tutorials. So head over to TikTok and you want to you want to search for makeup tutorial videos. You're gonna scroll down a bit and then boom, you're gonna see a bunch of different hashtags, aka keywords, that you are going to start implementing and putting them on your videos. Use these keywords to start creating content. Like, these words can literally be used to make videos on because they are in your target audience. So once you start doing this for a while, using the same keyword, your videos will become categorized as whatever the keyword is. So for instance, I'm using the keyword makeup tutorials. So your page will become categorized as a person who does makeup tutorials. Thus, in return, this is going to put you in front of your target audience, which is going to be people who are interested in makeup tutorials. So as a bonus tip for this, I do want to say that if you are doing makeup tutorials, I would say to niche that down a little further. Instead of doing like just makeup tutorials, try doing makeup tutorials for dry skin, or makeup tutorials for dark skin, or makeup tutorials for older women. You want to niche that down as much as possible. That way you are going to be able to grow faster because you're going to have a well niche community. The third thing I see that is not helping content creators put their audience in front of the people it's supposed to be in front of is going to be you guys are not using the right hashtags. I do not want to see you guys still using generic hashtags like For You page or Instagram makeup or makeup Instagram. You should not be using generic hashtags. Those hashtags are way too broad and you are not going to show up. The whole goal is to get your content to show up in front of people who it's supposed to show up in front of. Like I mentioned before, this is where hyper niching down comes into play. So instead of using hair care, you want to use hair care for curly hair, or hair care for older women, or hair care for black girls. Hyper niche down. So because TikTok is an awesome place to do research as to what hashtags and what keywords you should be using. So when you're going to make a post and the hashtags pop up, you want to make sure that you're using hashtags that are lower than 10 million. You're going to see on the side like this, for instance, you're going to see the numbers. So you want to make sure it is less than 10 million when you are adding the hashtag. So the fourth and the last thing I see a lot of creators doing that is not going going to help you target your target audience is that you guys are not speaking your keywords in your videos. If you're someone who actually talks on camera, whether you're doing educational content or you're doing like some type of informational, helpful type of videos, you could be doing videos just like me. So if you're creating any type of videos where you are speaking into the camera, you're talking to your people, you want to make sure you are using the words in your title. As you guys can see, before every tip that I'm giving you guys, I'm being sure to say the words that the video is about. How to target your target audience, how to get your content to show up in front of the people it's supposed to show up. So you want to use SEO, search engine optimization. These apps are able to pick up on the words that you say in your videos, as well as the text on the screen, and as well as in your description. That is completely search engine optimizing your content. You're speaking it verbally, you're writing it, and you're putting it in the description. This is going to allow your video to show up in front of the people that it's supposed to show up in front of. There you have it, you guys. These 4 tips is going to help you guys get your content in front of your target audience, which in return is going to allow you to start to grow. Again, you're creating content for a specific type of person. You're not creating content for everyone. You will never grow this way. That's why you start out in a niche, and then once you start to grow, you become popular, your followers get up, you build communities, then you are able to convert yourself over to being the niche. Then you can post whatever you want to, but you must start out like this. So that is going to be it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. And we are done. And it's a wrap. Drop the mic.